Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the GK, IGK of your Olympiad, the first chapter, plants and animal. So I will discuss with you the question and answers, okay, of each and every chapter. Okay. So let us start with the first chapter of plant and animal. Okay. So first question. Found mainly in the Congo Basin. This ape was formerly referred to as pygmy chimpanzee or pygmy chimpanzee. It resembles humans the most in that it shares more than 98% of its DNA with humans. Which ape are we talking about? The options are A. Gorilla, B. Barbary ape, C. Bonobo, D. Orangutan. The answer is C. Bonobo. Question number 2. This 18th century Swedish scientist first developed a binomial nomenclature system of scientific classification and nomenclature based on common characteristics of living beings. Who was he? Option A. Carolus Linnaeus. Option B. Charles Darwin. Option C. Benjamin Franklin. Option D. Jacques Cousteau. The answer is option A. Carolus Linnaeus. Third question. An anticoagulant is a substance that prevents the clotting of blood. From which animal is the anticoagulant called Hirudin used in modern medicine extracted? Options are option A wasp, option B spider, option C scorpion, option D leech. And the answer is option D leech. Next question. The male of this whale species can easily be recognized by its single protruding spiral tusk. Which animal are we talking about? The options are option A narwhal, option B leviathan, option C Baezi, option D minke whale. And the answer is option A narwhal. Next question. This fish, although poisonous, is a much sought after Japanese delicacy. Chefs undergo rigorous training before they are allowed to prepare it. Its local name is fugu. What is its English name? And the options are option A pufferfish, option B aluman, option C barracuda. Option D, Gambusia. And the answer is option A, puffer fish. Next question. Cerbera odolum, commonly known as the suicide tree, is a species of tree native to India and other parts of southern Asia. In which state of India this tree is found? Option A, Haryana. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Kerala. And the answer is option D, Kerala. Next question. Many animals such as bats and primates indulge in geophagia or the ingestion of soil. Which type of soil do these animals prefer? And the options are option A, gravel, option B, sand, option C, silt, option D, clay. And the answer is option D, clay. Next question. It is an organ located at the base of the nasal cavity of some animals. Snakes use this organ to hunt and track their prey. They stick their tongue out to gather scents and touch it to the opening of the organ. When the tongue is retracted, name the organ. Now, what are the options? Option A, Jacobson's organ. Option B, blowhole. Option C, Pear's patches. Option D, islets of Langerhans. And the answer is option A, Jacobson's organs. Okay. Next question. Autotomy is the behavior wherein an animal sheds or discards one or more of its own appendages. For example, tails, usually as a self-defense mechanism to distract or escape from a predator. The lost body part may be regenerated later. Which of these animals exhibits this kind of behavior? And the options are option A, garden lizard, option B, fruit bat, option C, star tortoise, option D, slender loris. And the answer is option A, garden lizard. Next question. In which of the following countries would you find the IA? Option A, New Zealand. Option B, Madagascar. Option C, Kenya. Option D, Norway. And the option is and the answer is option B, Madagascar. Next question. Nacre is a hard iridescent, crystalline substance secreted by some animals in response to an irritant. Which of these precious substances contains nacre? And the options are option A coral, option B amethyst, option C pearl, option D aquamarine. And the answer is option C pearl. Next question. Hermaphrodite organisms are animals that have both male and female reproductive organs. Which of the following organisms is a hermaphrodite? And the options are option A earthworm, option B snail, option C hamlet fish, option D all of these. And the right answer is option D all of these. Next question. Studies have shown that the leaves and pods of this tree are very rich in iron, calcium, vitamins A and C, and other nutrients. It is highly recommended by scientists for those who suffer from malnutrition, including infants. Name the tree. And the options are drumstick tree, option B tamarind tree, option C neem tree, option D gulmohar tree. And the right answer is option A drumstick tree. Next question. Not all snakes kill by poisoning their victim through venom. Some kill by suffocating their prey by constriction. Which of the following is a constrictor? And the options are option A rat snake, option B king cobra, option C rock python, option D Russell's viper. And the right answer is option C rock python. Next question. This question having one picture also, or image you can say. This plant given in the picture is known as doll's eye for its peculiar berries that crop up once a year. These small white berries have small marks that appear like pupils, giving the plant an interesting appearance. The entire plant is poisonous and is one of the 10 most deadly plants in United States. Its toxin affects the options are option A eye muscles, option B lungs, option C cardiac muscles, option D kidney. And the answer is option C cardiac muscles. Switching over to the next question. Okay, the next question. The animal given in the picture, you can see one animal is there in the picture, is a long necked antelope found in some parts of African region. It stands on its hind legs to feed on the tender leaves of high branches. Can you identify this animal? And the options are Gerenac, Ambonia spinosa or spinosa. Option C, Chevrotin or Sevrotin. Option D, Babirusa. And the right answer is option A, Gerenac. Next question. Which plants are killed in winter by frost? And the options are option A, no transpiration occurs at such low temperature. Option B, no photosynthesis takes place at such low temperature. Option C, there is desiccation and mechanical damage to the tissues. Option D, respiration ceases at such low temperature. And the right answer is option C. There is desiccation and mechanical damage to the tissues. Next question. This wax comes from the leaves of the palm Copernicea prunifera, a plant that is native to and grown only in parts of northeastern Brazil. The wax is obtained by collecting and drying the leaves and then beating them in order to loosen the wax. This wax is used in automobile waxes, shoe polishes, dental floss, food products, and cosmetics. Which wax is this? Option A, Carnauba wax. Option B, Candelilla wax. Option C, Auricary wax. Option D, Lanolin wax. And the answer is option A, Carnauba wax. Next question. It is a translucent, colorless, brittle when dry, flavorless food produced by partial hydrolysis of collagen extracted from the skin, bones, and connective tissues of animals. Which substance is this? And the options are option A, isinglass. Option B, shellac. Option C, gelatin. Option D, lard. And the right answer is option C, gelatin. And the last question for this chapter: carmine, a powder used as an all-encompassing dye in red foods like candy, ice cream, and yogurt, is derived from, and the options are: option A, red cochineal beetle, option B, red spider, option C, red sea star, option D, red humboiled squid. And the right answer is option A, red cochineal beetle. So these are all the 20 questions of first chapter, plant and animals. Thank you everyone.